In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prevent members from inviting others to a shared folder in Dropbox, ensuring you retain full control over who has access. Managing access to shared folders is crucial for maintaining the security and integrity of your files, and fortunately, Dropbox provides tools to help you do just that. To start, you'll want to sign in to your Dropbox account using a web browser by heading over to Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Dropbox homepage. From there, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Files. This will bring up a list of all your folders and files stored in Dropbox. Next, locate the Shared section. This is where you'll find all the folders you've previously shared with others. Take a moment to review your list and identify the particular folder you wish to manage more closely. Once you've found the folder you're looking to secure, hover over it with your mouse. As you do this, a Share button should appear next to the folder name. Click on Share, which will open a new dialog box designed to handle sharing options. Here, you should see an icon that looks like a gear, or alternatively, a settings link highlighted with a checkmark. Go ahead and click on this settings icon. Within the settings menu, you're going to look for an option related to managing membership. This is usually phrased as, "Who can manage membership of this folder?" This option is crucial because it determines who has the authority to invite new members into your shared space. When you click on this section, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll see a few options, typically including only the owner and anyone with edit access. To maintain strict control over who can invite others, you'll want to make sure you select only the owner from this drop-down menu. By doing so, you are effectively limiting the ability to send out new invitations solely to yourself, the folder's owner. This prevents other members from inviting people without your express knowledge and permission, thus preserving the privacy and security of your shared content. After making your selection, you'll notice a Save button at the bottom of the settings dialog. Be sure to click this button. Saving your changes is an essential step as it ensures your new settings are applied. You'll receive a confirmation that the settings have been updated, giving you peace of mind that you now have sole authority over who gains access to your shared folder. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully configured your Dropbox shared folder to prevent unwanted invitations. This simple yet effective way of managing access helps maintain your file's confidentiality and ensures you remain in control. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips on maximizing your Dropbox experience.